Okay, exam review number 2, question number 6. How many ways are there of arranging? All right, well, there's this whole story about a car dealer in the window, and he's got these 5 cars and 5 spots. Okay, whenever the question is how many ways are there of arranging, you got to take all your stuff and put all of your stuff into all of the spots. Okay, if it said how many ways are there of choosing 2 cars out of the 5, there's always, you got to choose. You're going to leave some behind. But when you've got all of them and you've got to arrange all of them, that's where factorial is. So how many ways that are there of arranging, that always ends up with me having to use that factorial button. Now in this case, it's how many ways are there of arranging 5 cars in 5 slots. So 5 factorial, I got my calculator. Let's see, you got to put in the number first, then you go find that math button, which in my case isn't a second function, but yours might be. And then you go over to PRB and hit the exclamation point and then hit enter. Okay, so 5 math, PRB, exclamation point, enter. 120. Now the second question, part B, I start to think, oh God, this sounds really difficult, okay? I mean, I got these 120 things, and I just, I'm supposed to pick out all the yellow ones where the yellow convertible is the first spot, and do I have to write them all out? How am I going to figure that out? Well, yeah, I want less than 120, but how many of them? It makes it sound like I'm going to have to work for a long time to figure it out. But actually, I don't want to think about it that way. What it is that manager came in, he's got that yellow car right there in that first spot, and you're out of luck on that. Now you're standing there with 4 cars and 4 spots and going, what do I do now? Okay, you only get to arrange 4 things. You arrange those 4 cars into those 4 spots. Forget the yellow convertible in spot number 1. Those don't even exist anymore. You've got 4 spots and 4 things. How many ways are there of arranging 4 things? So it sounds super complicated, but I just have to arrange 4 things instead of 5. All right, so 4 math, PRB, exclamation point, 4 factorial is 24.